Hi Sam, happy 18th birthday! I can't believe how fast time's gone. You've grown to such a beautiful and amazing young woman. Even though we're far away, we're really proud of you and everything that you've achieved. We really wish we could be there to celebrate, but we're sending our love and best wishes from here.
Enjoy your special day, Sam.
Happy birthday.
Hello Sam, as you celebrate this huge milestone, may your year be filled with a symphony of laughter, unforgettable memories, and a world of new adventure. You have your whole life ahead of you and the power to shape your destiny, so go forth and be yourself. Happy 18th birthday, Sam.
Hi Sam! Happy 18th birthday and welcome to adulthood. Ayan, today marks a new chapter in your life, and I know that your mommy and daddy are very proud of the person you are becoming, and I just wish that you will pursue all your goals and dreams in life, and may you continue your journey with confidence and courage. I'm also wishing you a bright future ahead and all the success and good opportunities in life. Again, happy 18th birthday and enjoy your special day, okay? And this is your Ninang Myla's greeting from across the mile. Bye! Enjoy!
Hello, Ate Sam! Ninang Elsie here. Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday, Sam! Wish ko na sana matupad whatever wish you have for yourself and ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo. And may you have healthier and more fruitful years ahead of you. Mag-enjoy ka to your teenage life, and I hope na, we hope na everything goes well with you. Always makinig. Palagi ka makinig sa mama and papa, and also with ate. Eh, kuya? Alright. Bye, Ate Sam. See you. Bye-bye.
Hi Sam! Happy 18th birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health at laging makikinig kay mommy at daddy at makatapos ng pag-aaral. God bless! Happy birthday ulit!
Hi Sam! Happy 18th birthday! You're now a lady. Huwag ka muna magbo-boyfriend. And mag-aral lang mabuti. Make your mommy and daddy proud always. Love you!
Hi Sam! Happy 18th birthday! Ang wish ko lang sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Always love your parents, make them proud. At saka wag mong kakalimutan na kahit di nakikipag-communicate si Ninang, may Ninang ka na taga Laguna. Love you! Bye!
Hi Sam! Happy 18th birthday! First of all, I want to thank God for your life because isa ka sa genuine person na nakilala ko. Sobra ka mag-care, grabe yung kindness mo. Even sa akin na teacher mo pa 2 years ago, naalala mo pa rin ako until now. May-message ka sa akin pag alam mo parang down days ko, nag-greet ka kapag Teacher's Day, birthday, and I really appreciate that. Sinasabi ko rin naman sa'yo. And you can also reach out to me in case na kailangan mo, may question ka, kailangan mo ng kausap. You can also consider me as your safe space. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, you can consider me also as your big sister or a friend na pwede mong takbuhan or i-message. As long as I can help you, I will. So, feel free to do so kapag kailangan mo. And, wish ko lang is sana maging successful ka in the near future. I know naman na magaling ka. And, sana kamit mo yung dreams mo. And, aside from that, yung genuine happiness, sana kasama ng pagkamit mo ng dreams mo, kasi I think it's very important na maging masaya ka. And sana wag mo rin papabayaan yung health mo, kasi syempre sayang yung mga pinaghirapan mo kung yung health mo is babagsak. Syempre, marami ring mag-aalala sa'yo for sure. And your mental health then, syempre, kasama yon, huwag mo ring papabayaan. Again, if you need support or kung gusto mo mag-share, you can always reach out to me kasi I know maraming struggle sa buhay. If you need na, if you feel minsan na parang nagfa-fail ka, always remember na it's part of the journey kasi dun ka matututo. So, wag ka mag-worry masyado, wag ka masyadong ma-pressure kasi I know your family is very supportive of you kahit anumang mangyari. Yun lang, and I hope soon ay magkita-kita ulit tayo. Kung magkasalubong man tayo or what, malay mo, dyan sa birthday mo, nandyan ako sa harap mo or nasa gilid mo. I hope we can catch up kahit saglit lang, ganon. Kasi syempre, namimiss ko din kayo. Namimiss din kita. Yun, nakakamiss din. Kasi it's been already 2 years, diba? Since nakita ko kayo, nakita kita. And thank you din kay mommy mo sa pag-include sa akin dito sa birthday greetings. Grabe yung effort talaga ni mommy ever since. Very supportive siya sa'yo. And I know very happy ka today sa special day mo. And yun lang. Sana kahit hindi special day mo, maging happy ka always kasi you deserve that. So, yun. Again, happy birthday, Sam. And enjoy the rest of your special day. See you soon.
Hi, Sammy! Happy 18th birthday, Sam! Oh my God, ang bilis talaga ng panahon. You're 18 already. Enjoy your day, Sam. Wishing you blessed for your birthday. Pasensya na, di naka-attend si Mom at na-stuck sa Baguio. See you soon. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Happy 18th birthday, Sammy. We love you.
I wish long life, syempre. Still beauty ka pa rin and brain. And be good girl always. Love you, Sam.
Hi, Sam! Be a good girl pa rin. And matapos ang pag-aaral.
Happy birthday, Sam. Good health. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Sam! Wish you all the best. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sam! Mag-aral na mabuti.
Happy birthday, Sam. Be strong and happy. Now, happy birthday, 18th birthday, Sam. May you have all the best the world can offer and enjoy your teen years. Happy birthday, Sam. Love you. Enjoy your life.
Happy 18th birthday, Sam. Enjoy.
Hey, Samantha. How you doing? Your Auntie Christy and I want to wish you a happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Samantha. I hope you will celebrate your 18th birthday happily. Be a good girl, and we will see you next year in December, planning to take a vacation. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Bye!
Hey, hello, dear Samantha. I just want to go and wish you a very happy birthday to you, and I hope you have many more birthdays to come. And I'd like to see you excel in your everyday activities, okay? Especially with your education. So when time comes, you can be able to help and assist your parents, okay? Again, I just want to go and wish you a very happy birthday to you, okay? You take care, and maybe next year, baka magkita-kita tayo at nang maipasyal ko kayo, okay? So, anyway, again, I just want to go and say a very happy birthday to you. I hope and wishing you have many more birthdays to come. and be healthy and God-fearing daughter, okay? Alright, take care. Again, very happy birthday to you. Alright, this is your Uncle Noel. And I want to see you again next year, okay? Alright, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Sam. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. And I'm wishing you a happiest and blessed birthday and more birthday to come. You know, Sam, I am so proud of your achievement and also your accomplishment from your school. And I want you to stay sweet as you are and always be good to your parents and to your sister. I love you and I'm wishing you a happy birthday again. And I miss everybody out there. I hope we can take our vacation again so that we can see each other. And I miss everybody. Okay, happy birthday!
Bye-bye!
Tama na yan.
Hi, Sam. Happy 18th birthday. Cheers to 18 years. Wow, what a milestone. I wish you all the best. Wish ko sa'yo sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo in life. And wag mo na magbo-boyfriend. God bless and happy birthday ulit.
Hey, good morning, good evening from USA. This is Uncle Donnie and Auntie Sunny to greet you. Happy 18th birthday, Sam. May you have many more birthday to come. God bless you always and keep up the good work.
Happy birthday, Sam.
We love you all.
See you soon.
Okay. Enjoy your 18th birthday.
God bless. Bye.
God bless you all and regards to everyone
Bye.
from USA.
Happy birthday, Sam! May you have more years to come. At sana maging successful ka sa life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Wish you good health. Bye-bye.
Hi Sam, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. You deserve it. 18 ka na, so ang ma-advise ko lang sa'yo ay mahalin lalo si Mommy at Daddy at laging mag-aaral at kalimutan mo na yung love life. Happy birthday, Sam. Galingan mo palagi sa school and God bless.
Happy birthday, Sam. I hope your birthday is full of joy and happiness. And always don't forget to pray. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Sam. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. God bless.
Ninang Sam, happy day.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Sam. Sana huwag na umanan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Hindi na ikaw yung bunso, ako na. Love you, Ate Sam.
1, go.
Hi, Sam. Itong araw ng November ay mahalaga para sa iyo at sa iyong mga pamilya. Itong araw na ito nang ikaw ay ipinanganak. Napakaswerte ng iyong mga magulang. At ngayon, dalagang-dalaga ka na. Maging masaya ka at samantalahin mo ang iyong kabataan. Maraming kaibigan, yung nagmamasyal, nagdadalo sa mga kasayahan. Dahil pagka wala ka na sa edad ng kabataan mo ay hindi mo na yan mararanasan. Kaya ngayon pa lang ay maging masaya ka na. Happy birthday!
Sam, happy birthday! Mag-aral kang mabuti, huwag kang magbabago, at saka huwag kang magbo-boyfriend para matuwa si Daddy, and love na love ka namin.
Hello, Samantha! Happy 8th birthday! I wish you all the best. At alam ko na happy ka to celebrate your 18th birthday na kasama yung mga kaibigan mo. At syempre, nandito kami ng mga daddy, mami, ate, at yung mga relatives natin, mga family natin na nagtulong-tulong sumuporta para sa'yo dahil we love you. Happy 18th birthday and wish ko sana magpatuloy yung mga dreams mo at always remember and always pray to God na He will guide you and protect you all the time. Okay, happy 18th birthday. Medyo pagod si Mami pero okay lang para sa'yo. I love you. Mwah.
Hi anak, Samantha Irish. Kamusta? Happy 18th birthday anak. Pero una sa lahat, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa Diyos sa paggabay niya sa atin, lalo na sa iyo, sa iyong pag-aaral, sa health mo. Alam ko na you've grown so fast, sobra, nakakamiss yung pagiging childhood mo, yung pagiging makulit mo nung bata ka, yung pagiging mataray mo. Pero ngayon, ganun pa din naman. Pero sana, ang wish ko sa birthday mo ngayon matupad mo yung mga plans mo for the future, lalo na sa next year kasi college ka na, at matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. At alam ko, tandaan mo anak, simula pa lang ito ng journey mo, mahabang journey mo sa pag-aaral, para mabuo mo yung mga pangarap mo. So andito kami palagi ni Mami, andyan din si ate, para gabayan ka ano man yung magiging struggle mo sa life. At syempre yung mga friends mo na kasama mo ngayon, mga kamag-anak natin, mga tito, tita mo, mga pinsan mo dyan, ay nandyan sila lahat para sa'yo to celebrate this memorable day of your life. Happy 18th birthday anak, and I wish you all the best and God bless you always. At alam kong hindi mo po abayaan yung mga plano natin, yung plano mo sa buhay, yun yung alam kong priority mo. Maraming salamat nak, at enjoy your day today. Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Happy birthday.